So my government will therefore continue to upgrade the facilities and amenities committed to you as part of our transformative reform agenda for the security sector. Indeed, just this morning we sat in the National Security Council and we approved for additional equipment, especially to our special units like yourselves, for body armor, for vehicles, for weaponry, to ensure that you are able to execute your mandate with the best available equipment being made available.